Hello everybody. Content curation is one of the most important things for social media marketing. How do you find content to share on Twitter, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, whatever? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google News, which is one of the best free tools out there, to kind of turbocharge your content curation strategy. Let's get started. Welcome back. So we're looking at Google News and we're using it for content curation. So your first step obviously is to go and sign up for Google News or to log in case you've never used it. Usually if you have a Google account, Gmail account, whatever, you kind of already have a Google News account. So I'm going to assume you do. All right, so you're going to sign up for that, and then I'm going to open it up here, and then you're going to go into Google News. So it's obviously news.google.com. Okay, so we're looking at that, and obviously it's it's kind of a generic service. Over here on the left, you can see, topics. It's giving me, the current news, et cetera, et cetera. That's not what's interesting about it for content curation. So first you've signed up. Okay, now the second step is to customize your feed, and there's sort of two different processes, different ways you can do this. So let me show you how to customize your feed. So the first way to do this is inside of Google News, click on Favorites over here on the left, and then within Favorites, okay, then you search for a topic, right? So let's say you're organic food, which is one of the things I like to use to explain social media. So you go organic food, and you can put it in quotes if you want, but you can do organic food, and you can see how it says topic. So click on organic food, and so now I'm in this topic, and I'm going to click follow. Okay, so now I'm following organic food. That's one way to find topics, okay, is to you go in there, click on favorites on the left, and then you click on a topic. Now, the related way, the kind of a different concept, is when you start typing in organic, you'll often see things like a news source, organic authority, right? So if I click on organic authority, it's a news source. So it's probably an industry blog or something, and I click follow. So that's going to be like the New York Times. It's an authority, it's a blog in that industry. Okay, so once you've saved that, right, in your favorites, then your topics appear. Now, obviously I don't follow organic food, but I do follow search engine optimization. So you can see I can click into search engine optimization, and Google has essentially pulled content on that topic for me, and then I can go read the article and share it to my social if it's good, et cetera, et cetera. So Google's kind of done the first cut for me. Hey, Jason, here's the cool stuff on search engine optimization. That's a topic. Now, that's different than a source. So you can see down here, I follow Search Engine Land, which is the premier blog on SEO, and I can follow like what's going on that blog. So I can pull in sort of blogs or publications that I'm interested in, and I can follow those. And again, you access those on the left in your favorites. Okay, so that's the first way to do this. So first step, sign up for Google News. Second step, customize your feed into topic or news sources, right? The third type is what's called a saved search. And this is where you have like a long tail, like in my case, like viral videos, right? Or memes about social media, something long. Like it could be, organic baby food for kids or something like that, right? Or is there another kind of baby food? But organic baby food, right? So you'd go to Google News, right? Click on favorites, and then let's take organic baby food. So type in organic baby food, and it's probably not big enough to be a topic. It's not enough. It's too specific. So you click on organic baby food, right? And then over here on the right, you click save. So now it's going to be a saved search. Okay, so this is like a narrower topic than a theme or something big. And then over here on the left, you can see saved searches, organic baby food, and I can, if I were a baby food manufacturer or organic food producer, I would have that. Now in my case, I really don't care about organic baby food, but I do care about, say, viral videos, and I can see like what videos Google is pulling up that are going viral. So those are my saved searches. Now, once you've done this in your favorites, they're going to show up here at the top, topics and sources, saved saved searches, and you can actually save a story for reading later. That's sort of a different use of it as well. So that's the other topic. So the third portion of my little exposition here is the saved searches, okay? Now, after you've done this, so you've sort of built your Google News and you've got your Google News ready to go, and you're going to log into Google News, you're going to bookmark Google News, you go in, it's going to start to give you more content that's relevant. You can see though, unfortunately, it does give you a lot of just like generic news, but you can see here this For You category. So Google is obviously snooping 24/7 in everything we're doing. So as I'm clicking on news stories, like I've been following the Kavanaugh nomination, which is in the news right now, it does that. But more interesting is things that I'm interested in, like SEO and social media and whatnot. It's going to start showing me in this feed. So this For You, it's kind of Google's attempt at artificial intelligence, and you can see that. But the main way to do it is click on your favorites and then go into a topic that you care about and drill into that topic, or go back to favorites and click on Save Searches and go into something that is much more specific for you, and it's going to pull that data. Now, obviously in this video, I'm not talking about once you've curated it, how you share it to social, just talking about how you use Google News as a first step to find content for curation. Pretty awesome product from Google, and I really love it, and I recommend that you sign up for Google News, and then most importantly, customize it for the topics that you care about for your own social media marketing. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Go sign up for Google News, and if you've already signed up, optimize it, set it up for your own system.